Hey there, are you feeling a little lost or overwhelmed thinking about studying abroad? Well, you are not alone. So many students have this big dream to study in the UK, Canada, UAE, or Australia. But the moment they actually sit down and think, where do I even start? That's when the confusion kicks in. Should I go for a master's or PG diploma? Which country suits me the best? What documents do I need? How much does it all cost? And the biggest one is, am I even eligible? Trust me, if any of this sounds familiar, you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Tom, and this is episode 1 of our brand new series from Dream to Departure Study Abroad with Help Study Abroad. We are walking you through every steps of the student journey abroad. Real talk, clear steps, and no sugarcoating. Let's start with the first and most important step: free counseling. It's more than just a casual chat. It's where your entire study abroad journey takes shape. What really happens in a counseling session? Okay, just picture this. You walk in or hop on a Zoom call, probably with a million questions and zero clarity. And on the other side is someone who's seen hundreds of students just like you. They're not just checking boxes, they are here to understand you, your background, your goals, your dreams, and even your doubts. Here's how the session usually flows. Step 1 is all about tell me about yourself. Yep. Just like that, it's not an interview, it's just a conversation. They'll ask you about your academic backgrounds, work experience if you have any, future goals, countries you are considering, budget range, even whether you have written your IELTS yet or not. This step is just like holding up a mirror. You begin to see yourself clarity. Step 2, here's what's possible for you. This is the magical moment. Your counselor takes everything you said and they start connecting the dots. They'll suggest the best country for your goals, course options that matches your interest, scholarship opportunities, if you're eligible for application waivers or fast track intakes. And what challenges might come up? Honestly, students often walk away thinking, wow, this makes sense now. Step 3 will be busting off the myths and giving a clarity. There's always that cousin or friend who says, oh, it's super expensive, visa rejection are high these days, you need to be a topper to apply. Wrong. A good counselor clears the fog with facts, not fear. At Help Study Abroad, we have seen students with average scores get into great university with scholarship and full visa approval just because they had the right guidance from day one. The next step is step number 4, no pressure, just possibilities. And here's the best part. It's not a sales pitch. You don't have to commit to anything on day one. We're here to make sure you feel ready, confident, and informed because honestly, studying abroad is a big deal. It changes your life, so let's get it right from the beginning.
Hi, I'm Nam and I'm all set to apply to the UK to study structural engineering at the University of Liverpool, and it honestly feels like such a dream come true for me. And what surprised me the most was there were no extra service charges and I didn't have to pay anything as a service fee to help study abroad. In fact, they helped me with anything personalized like my resume and SOP writing, my accommodation, visa guidance, and my education loan. And more than that, just a service, they gave me confidence. They made the whole journey smooth and stress-free, not just for me, but for my family too. To any student who's confused or unsure about where to start their study abroad journey, just reach out to Help Study Abroad. I'm ready for my new life in the UK, and trust me, it can be.
So if you're still wondering where to start or just feel stuck between Google search and random advices, let's talk. Let's sit down, understand your story, and help you take that first step the smart way. Book your free expert counseling session with Help Study Abroad today. Click the link in the description or visit helpstudyabroad.com. No pressure, just clarity. Because this isn't just about choosing a university, it's about shaping your entire future. See you in the second episode where we match your profile to the perfect university for you. Until then, dream big and stay curious.